Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to permanently remove photos on iPad Air 13 2024. To permanently remove photos, go to Photos app, then choose a photo you want to remove, tap on the trash icon in top right corner, then tap on Delete Photo and OK. And now the photo wasn't yet permanently removed, it's just moved to recently deleted folder for 30 days. And after these 30 days, it will be automatically permanently removed. But you can do it earlier, so you can delete these photos now permanently or restore them. To do it, click on the sidebar, then go to Recently Deleted. Now unlock with your Touch ID or passcode. And here is my recently deleted photo. It shows that it will be here for 29 days. Click on it, and now you can click on Delete or Recover. I'm gonna delete from all devices, and now the photo has been permanently removed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.